हाय आई एम आकांक्षा। दिस वीडियो इज़ अ विंटर वेयर हॉल क्योंकि सर्दियाँ ऑलरेडी शुरू हो चुकी है। आई हैव गॉट क्वाइट सम विंटर वेयर and I thought of sharing these with you guys. These range from very affordable ones right from 300 rupees to expensive blazers and overcoats to around 3000 rupees. So if you're interested to know what all I got this winter season, please stay tuned. Let's start with this cute vest sweater. It gives you a very 80s or 90s vibe and this print resembles Chanel's classic design. The color was something that caught my eye and that's the reason why I actually got this. Powder blue shade looks so feminine and chic. It's a very casual, regular wear kind of sweater. It's cropped and very soft. I'm in the size small. This next item is a trench coat. It is so comfortable, you guys. I cannot tell you. It is super long, exactly how a trench coat should be. The material is not coarse at all. It's very soft and warm. Two pockets as well. Yay! It looks so classy and can instantly amp up the outfit. I'm in the size small. This lavender sweatshirt is so pretty. I bought it solely because of the graphics it has. It says born to be real, not perfect. I resonate with that so much. Its material is very soft and it has fleece lining on the inner side. It is not that warm. It's okay for, little cold weather. I'm in the size small. Fits me beautifully. I love pairing it up with my white bottoms. Next piece is my absolute favorite. It's a short coat. The material is a little coarse. It's double-breasted and looks classy. I love wearing it with my black bottoms or knee-length boots. I got the size small and it's just a little tight for me. But next is this sweatshirt. I love the print and the design. It's very different. I usually do not buy animal prints, but this is very cute. The muted, subtle pink shade. It's also very warm. But one thing that I did not like about this is the shoulder area. It looks very weird and very puffed. I bought it in the size medium. Yet another favorite of mine. This sweater looks totally like a piece from Chanel. The print is like 99% same and the color, oh my god, quite warm, looks very decent and classy, and also the material is very soft. I got it in the size medium. Love pairing it up like an outwear. Just love it. Then we have this trendy coat. It's in tan color with checkered details. Its material is little coarse but not pokey. It does not irritate or make you itchy. I love to pair this up with my short dresses and it keeps me warm along with completing the look. I bought it in the size medium. It's a tad bit loose for me, but I can manage that. This is my first coat that's not in a solid color and I really love it. This sweater was a dhoka. It was a big dhoka. I got it from Ajio thinking that it's red in color as it appeared to be on the app. It's a deep pink magenta kind of a color. I did not really return it as I loved the color block design on it. It is very thick and it's very warm as well. I love to pair this up with my denims and it looks very cute. I bought it in the size small. I got this fur jacket. Honestly, Club Factory से ना मैं बहुत पहले ही ऐसे जैकेट मंगवाने वाली थी, but fortunately or unfortunately Club Factory got banned in India and I could not order it, but I got this one and it is so fluffy, so cozy, so comfortable, you guys. It's a beautiful mauve shade. By the way, I got it from Vishal Mega Mart. Yes, very unexpected. It's in the size medium and fits me perfectly. Next is this black coat. I had a long trench coat in black, so I wanted to have something shorter, and this is from the same brand जिससे मैंने red वाला लिया था, but इसकी जो material है ना वो थोड़ी चुभती है मुझे. Like it makes my skin feel very itchy and it's very thick and warm. By the way, you can actually never go wrong with a plain classic black coat. You can just pair this up in so many ways with so many different outfits. I got it in the size small. थोड़ी tight है मेरे लिए. The next one is more of an active wear jacket. It's from Performax. Its material is quite thick. मतलब I wasn't expecting this like such a good quality. And by the way, इसके साथ एक mask भी मिली थी मुझे complimentary. It's in the size large and you can see it yourself. It has such a body hugging fit. I just love it. Looks so athletic and sporty. However, it's not for cold weather, obviously. It's like an outwear jacket. This crop sweatshirt was my first ever purchase from Street Style store. It has a fleece lining on the inside and is quite warm, I must say. It's a very dull black color, does not look that expensive, kind of cheap looking, I will be honest. But the quality is like, it's okay, it's warm. The fit isn't that great. I do not like how it fits on my shoulders especially. I like to use it for layering and not by itself. It's in the size small again. Last item for today is the shrug sweater. It's in a pretty burgundy shade. It's quite long, but the material is very thin. It's not a winter wear at all. The size I went for was small, but it's quite tight for me, so I think I should have sized up for this. So these were all of the winter wear that I got for this winter season. I hope you guys like this haul. I will try to put the links to all of these products in the description box. So do check them out. Also, do let me know in the comments below what all you got for this winter. And I would love to know. If you're new here, then consider subscribing. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akansha, signing off. Bye.